All right, we are looking at page 3 of the page 2 of the chapter 3 practice test. So numbers 5 and 6, the directions are to solve by elimination. So you study the coefficients to see if you have opposites. If you don't, you're going to have to multiply one or both of the equations by something to get opposites. So I'm going to multiply the second equation by 2 so that my y's will be opposites and I'll be able to eliminate. So 2 times negative 6x is negative 12x. 2 times y is 2y. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. I'm going to bring down this other equation so that I will have them all lined up perfectly and eliminate. Then I'm going to combine everything that's left. So negative 12x plus negative 12x is negative 24x. And negative 4 plus 4 is 0. So when we divide by negative 24, we just get x equal to 0. So I'm going to plug that 0 into either of these two equations. I like the second one. It looks a little bit easier. I'm going to say negative 6 times 0 plus y equals negative 2. Anything times 0 is 0, so y is equal to negative 2. So when I write my answer as an ordered pair, I have 0, negative 2. Number 6, I look for opposites, don't see any. And the easiest one I see is to multiply the first equation by negative 2 so that my x's will be opposite. So negative 2 times 6x is negative 12x. Negative 2 times 9y is negative 18y. And negative 2 times negative 30 is positive 60. So now I can eliminate and combine everything else. So 8y minus 18y is negative 10y. Negative 20 plus 60 is 40. So when I divide by negative 10, I get y equals negative 4. I'm going to substitute that into the first equation because they're both about the same. So I'm going to do 6x plus 9 times negative 4 equals negative 30. 9 times negative 4 is minus 36. So when I add 36 to both sides, I get 6x equal to 6. Divide by 6, so x is 1. Then I write my final answer as an ordered pair, so x comes first, which is 1, y comes second, which is negative 4. Numbers 7 and 8, all you're going to do is take the function of f and plug in 5 every time you see x. So the f of 5 is going to be equal to 3 times 5 plus 8. 3 times 5 is 15. And 15 plus 8 is 23. Now I'm going to plug 5 into g. So my g of 5 is going to be 5 squared plus 1. 5 squared is 25, so 25 plus 1 is 26. When you have a composition of functions, you have to work from the inside out. So for number 9, you're going to plug 7 into the g function first. So the g of 7 is 7 squared plus 1. 7 squared is 49. 49 plus 1 is 50. You have to take that answer and now plug it into the f. So the f of 50 is going to be 3 times 50 plus 8. 3 times 50 is 150, so 150 plus 8 is 158. Now we're going to plug 6 into the inside function, which is f. So the f of 6 is 3 times 6 plus 8, which is 24. Take that number and plug it into g. So the g of 24 is 24 squared plus 1. I did that one on the calculator. I got 577. Number 11, we have Alberto and Dan selling cookie dough for a school fundraiser. Customers can buy packages of white chocolate chip and cookie dough and packages of gingerbread cookie dough. Alberto sold 12 packages of white chocolate chip cookie dough and 8 packages of gingerbread cookie dough for a total of 340. So the first equation is 12x plus 8y equal to 340. Then it says Dan sold 7 packages of whites. I'm going to say 7x and 4 packages of gingerbread. So 4y as a total of 187. Find the total costs of each package. So I look for opposites. I don't see them. So I'm going to multiply that second equation by -2. So my y's will be opposites and I'll be able to eliminate. So -2 times 7x is -14x. -2 times 4y is -8y. And -2 times 187 is -374. And then I can eliminate my y's. Combine what's left, 12x and -14x is -2x. 340 minus 374 is -34. Divide both sides by -2 and you get x equals 17. That was the price of the white chocolate chip. So to get the other one, we have to plug in 17 into either of those two equations. Which one did I pick? I picked the second one. So I said 7 times 17 plus 4 times y equals 187. Multiply that on the calculator. I got 119. Subtract that 119. I got 4y equals 68. Divide both sides by 4. I got y equals 17. That's the price of the ginger snaps. Number 12, Michaela and Adam are selling cheesecakes for school fundraiser. Customers can buy New York-style cheesecakes and apple cheesecakes. Michaela sold 12 New York-style cheesecakes and 14 apple cheesecakes for a total of 184. So I'm going to say 12N plus 14A equals 184. Adam sold 6 New York and 6 apple for a total of 84. Find the cost of each. Okay, so looking for opposites, don't see them. So I'm going to multiply this second equation by -2 so I can get my ends opposite and then be able to eliminate them. So -2 times 6n is -12n. -2 times -6a is -12a. And -2 times 84 is -168. These are opposites and they eliminate. I'm combining this one and this one. 14a minus 12a is 2a. 184 minus 168 is 16. Divide both sides by 2. You get a equals $8, and that was the apple cheesecake. I'm going to plug that 8 into the first equation. So I have 12n plus 14 times 8 equal to 184. Multiply that out on the calculator. I got 112, so subtract 112 from both sides. You get 12n equals 72. Divide both sides by 12. I got n equals 6. And it's $6 for the New York cheesecake.